Imagine walking into a cafe in Berlin. You speak in English and the barista hears perfect German instantly. No app, no awkward lag. Just your voice translated in real time through a sleek pair of AI-powered earbuds. AI translator earbuds aren't futuristic anymore, they're real. And they're starting to change how we interact across cultures. Several companies have already stepped in. Timekettle, for example, offers real-time, two-way translation in over 40 languages. Their earbuds don't just translate, they do it while you're speaking, using AI to process context and tone. It's like having a UN interpreter in your ear. My Manu takes it further. Their earbuds come with built-in eSIM cards, so you can translate on the go without needing a phone or Wi-Fi. Yes, we've reached the part of the timeline where your earbuds might travel better than you do. Then there's Tozo with the Golden X2 Pro. They don't just translate, they transcribe, take AI-generated meeting notes, and sound surprisingly great. It's a translator and a solid pair of earbuds, no flex required. Even Samsung and Xiaomi are adding real-time translation to their flagship earbuds. They're not leading yet, but they're showing up. This is no longer niche. This is where the future starts. And that brings us to the next big player, Apple. Apple hasn't launched a translator earbud just yet, but signs say they're close. Bloomberg reports they're developing real-time translation for AirPods, expected in iOS 19. You speak in one language. Your iPhone translates. Your AirPods deliver the response smoothly. And Apple isn't stopping there. They've filed patents for AirPods with biosensors that read brainwaves, muscle movement, even heart rate. Translation today, neural syncing tomorrow. If Apple enters this market, expect a shift. In 2024, AirPods alone brought in over $18 billion. That's more than Nintendo made. Yes, earbuds out-earned Mario. The global wireless earbuds market was worth around $27.5 billion. Apple held 65% of it. So when they add translation, they won't just join the trend, they'll shape it. Imagine this. You're in Tokyo. Your AirPods pick up the language around you, handle translation, and keep your playlist going. No extra apps, no friction, just seamless interaction. And while most translation earbuds rely on the cloud, Apple could do it all on device. That means more privacy, faster responses, and fewer moments where your earbuds confuse lunch with launching missiles. Still, even the best tech isn't perfect. Today's models can miss slang, stumble on idioms, or lag in busy environments. And yeah, talking to your earbuds still looks kind of weird. Some say this tech could make people stop learning languages. Others believe it could open doors to travel, work, and connection like never before. This isn't just about earbuds anymore, it's about how we communicate with the world. So, what do you think? Would you trust your AirPods to help you close a deal in Seoul, navigate a date in Rome, or survive your next family trip overseas? Let me know in the comments. Because the future of language might not be in textbooks or classrooms. It might be in your ears, and your earbuds might just be your passport.